Hi, in this video, let us see how to apply non-parametric test on this set of data. So this particular set of data is a non-normal distribution of data as we have already shown. So here the data that we have is completely non-normal. So because it is non-normal, the test that we will be applying on it will be a non-parametric set of test. So right now, the first non-parametric test that we will be looking at is a chi-square test. So for that in SPSS, let's click Analyze, Non-Parametric Test, Legacy Dialogs and click chi-square. So in this chi-square, just reset it. So in this chi-square table, based on my research objective, I want to know is the age and the highest educational qualification responses are equal to each other, that is somewhere related to each other, or is it independent towards each other. So basically chi-square test is applied when we have to check for two categorical variables to check are they related to each other or are they independent to each other. So again, we are testing that is there any significant differences or not. So for that purpose, we have opted for chi-square test here and we have given the test variable list. So in exact, all the default options remains the same. The same goes with options also. All the default options remain the same. So right now in this box, the particular variables that we have to check, we have applied it already. Other than this, let all the options here remain default in nature. So click OK. So we can see the age, the highest educational qualification and the differences between both of it. So right now we tend to say as we have a significance level of less than 0.002 and 0.025, we say that they are significantly related to each other. So they are not independent of each other, but they are related to each other. So as per my research objective, I can state that the age and the highest educational qualification of the responses from my survey are significantly related to each other as the significance levels are lesser than 0.05. So this is simply how a chi-square test can be applied. Chi-square test can be applied with varied set of categorical variables also, but particularly we stick on to two variables here because we need to know the particular difference between both of it, and we can apply a different set of questions of categorical variables here. So this is how a chi-square test in non-parametric way can be conducted in SPSS software.